Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my podcast, Smashing Through with Rebecca.x. I am so excited you're here on this episode. Topics include life, business, mindset, full of kick-ass content and high energy. Enjoy the podcast, and remember, you too can smash through and keep going always. Flourish. In anything and everything that you do, you need to really flourish. Do your best, show up to whatever it is, and really grow in that moment and excel in that moment and be the beacon of light for yourself and for other people as well. You've heard the saying, a flower just blossoms regardless of the flower next to it, you know what I mean? So also know, with you flourishing, shining your bright light, being that beacon, you are not, in competition with anyone else. You are not taking the light off anyone else. They can shine their own light. You need to flourish in your skills, talent, knowledge, and expertise, your experience, your wisdom, and everything that you do both in life and business, which is work, everything personally and professionally, in every single arena. Okay, when you flourish, you are actually inspiring, motivating, and empowering other people who are watching you. You are actually shaping a whole different life for yourself and for others, especially if you've got little kids who are watching you, your kids, whether they are little tiny ones at 4 or 5 years old, or whether they are your grown-up children. You will be inspiring other people when you flourish, when you give yourself permission, when you say yes, you regardless of what's gone on in the past. You still need to show up, shine brightly, be that beacon with your skills, talent, knowledge, and expertise, because you've got something amazing to give to the world, and everyone needs it, whether it's paid or free. Okay, when you shine from the inside, it's like beams coming out of you. You're the beacon, okay, for everybody else. And when you grow and expand and flourish, your energy is amazing. It's attractive, and you'll attract more clients and more friends who are on the same wavelength as you. It might discourage some other people, and they can just, you can wish them well and they can go, but do not dim yourself for anyone else. Remind yourself that you are, choose one of your favorite flowers, a rose, or a sunflower, or anything like that, and know that sunflowers shift to the sun. You know what I mean? It's absolutely amazing. But for you to flourish, you need to give yourself permission to say yes, to do the thing, to show up to your life, keep going always, everything that you need to do. It is so powerful, and you can really, truly, and beautifully and handsomely flourish and grow and expand in every arena in your life when you give yourself permission. So if someone says something to you that catches you off guard, think about the information that's being processed in your brain. Well, why has that upset you? Why has it put you off track? Whatever. And then get back on your track of still flourishing with your skills and talents, knowledge, expertise, experience, wisdom, and everything, because everyone needs that. You are inspiring people, you are motivating and encouraging people and empowering people with what you're doing. And if you're in a season or a time of your life right now where you are stuck and you are feeling, like you're spinning your wheels, you don't know whether you're coming or going, you're actually, you just don't know anything, take that time, okay, to catch your breath and go and listen to my podcast number 184, which is about catch your breath. Because in those moments, it'll give you time to clear some stuff that's clouding you, and also give you clarity on a lot of things as well. So enjoy, have an amazing day. Let me know how you get on. My website is Rebecca.x. I'll put all the links in the show notes. But it is down to you to forgive yourself, to work through what you need to work through, to show up to the world, to flourish, to be that beacon for other people, because you are here, you are amazing, remarkable, incredible, and you are worth it. So go and do it. You are enough, you are powerful, and you have amazing gifts to give to the world. So go and do it.